It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today. Not just a speaker, but as someone who once walked the same halls and sat in the same classroom that you do now. Today, I want to share you a journey of recovery, resilience, and the importance of destigmatizing mental illness. A few years ago, I was where you are, navigating the highs and lows of adolescence while also struggling silently with my mental health, anxiety, depression, and a sense of overwhelming darkness were my constant companions. My journey towards recovery wasn't easy. It was filled with setbacks and struggles, moments of doubt and despair. But it was also marked by moments of profound growth and self-discovery. I learned to ask for help when I needed it, to lean on others for support, and to prioritize my mental health without shame or guilt. So, to each and every one of you sitting here today, I want you to know this: you are not alone. Your struggles are valid, and there is